Lots improved satellite maps, even artificial intelligence. Those are just a few of the tools firefighters may have at their disposal in the future.
Today, a South by Southwest panel discussed the future of wildfire detection and response. KXAN's Sarah Alsheh shows us what that might look like.
This is an example of some of the technology.
A drone that dumps more than 100 gallons of water.
Now we can put enough water or other suppressant material to actually put a fire out.
Former firefighter Jay Stalnacker says this new technology is the future of firefighting.
We'll see a lot of innovative technology around AI, taking data, bringing it in, making good maps, and then making it make sense to the robot or the autonomous part of it.
Stalnacker is the technical lead for the X Prize Foundation's wildfire competition, encouraging technological development in firefighting.
Detect all fires across a vast and remote area and transmit data to ground stations.
Stalnacker brought this topic to the South by Southwest stage, moderating a panel on the future of wildfire detection and response technology.
Everything from sound waves that can put fire out, smoke sensors that can determine the difference between a fire between a campfire and a wildland fire.
Experts note how many times first responders battle these wildfires with technology and techniques that haven't evolved in decades.
60 years without innovation, 60 years.
Stalnacker believes change is long overdue.
Embracing this technology for the right specific reason of wildland firefighting.
Sarah Alsheh, KXAN News.
And one thing that can be a barrier to new tech is cost. Now, the panel touched on how these new advancements need to have an affordable price before coming to communities.
And going in depth, this isn't the first time a new innovation for firefighting has come to Austin. Back in October, we told you the City Council approved a contract between an artificial intelligence company and Austin Energy. Now, that company uses 360 cameras and AI to detect wildfire smoke and notify fire crews as soon as possible.
We do have something going towards our infrastructure, we might be able to shut off the power and then make it safer and help the firefighters out.
Now, the plan was to have the tech in multiple locations around Austin and up and running before fire season. We have learned the driver accused of killing a pedestrian in downtown Austin around 1 a.m. Tuesday was trying to get away from police at the time. That's according to court documents.